Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Customs and Restos, and here it is. Like I kept been telling you guys for the last couple, 2-3 weeks, this is the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro. Got it yesterday, and I started doing a lot of printing, everything I could. A lot of trials, a lot of errors. So far so good. Sorry about the camera shaking or moving or anything like that, but I'm actually holding the thing, so you can kind of see. Let me go ahead and lift the lid off this. Nice thing about this is you can print Matchbox parts. And I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but that is the lids, the tops that goes to the container truck. So it's in the process of just draining, and then I'll clean them off and stuff. I've been able to make the cattle truck, stake truck bed, General Lee wheels, the push bumper that goes on the front of the General Lee, which I'm going to show in just a few minutes here. But this is just a cool item, and I will be doing some other resin casting where you make the molds, pour the resin into it. So give me a minute and I'll get you set where I'm not going to make anybody sick by moving around. So be right back. Okay, back at the desk here. I'm making some noise here. As you can see, some of the castings. Here is the stake truck. I gotta do a little cleanup on them. So, but this is the stake truck cattle truck bed. So you can see here, if I can get all the knobs off everything. Okay, you get that stuff, and look at that. Look at how that fits. I mean, it's perfect. Everything right down to the little lights on the mud flaps, turn signals, stop lights. You know, it's all there. I can't wait to paint one of these because I really want to see how it looks. I'm going to go with a different color resin. But as you can see, they're right on the money. I mean, look at that. How could you ask for anything better? This I'm gonna have to work on. This is the truck grill that I've been working on for a while now. This is it. It fits, but it's not right. Not anything I'm real impressed with the way it looks. This may be a resin cast deal, maybe. Because if I can't get this to work out where it's right, because you can see it's loose. There's gaps. I mean, you know, I'm going to give an honest review on anything. I mean, this is mine here. Because the first thing I got rid of was that license plate, because it used to say what on it, NU 712 or something. I can't see that, but I'm not happy with it. It just seems to have I don't know, it ain't right. So that's something I'm going to have to work on. Now, this came out perfect. Not the body yet. But as you can see, there's the vector wheels. There's the push bar. I have everything for this. The airbrush compressor is going to be here today. So I have the decals I have the wheels, tires, push bar, the paint. The paint is not here yet, but it's on its way. I still got some sanding, some body line, molding lines to remove and stuff, and this will be nice. I mean, this will be really nice. I ordered the decals from, you know what, I don't remember where I ordered them from. I ordered them from a place here a while back. So let me get these out. Oh, I got it from Red Line Shop. But anyways, yeah, I don't exactly remember where I got them from. Red Line Shop. You guys can see that 1/64 scale red lines. But there it is. First season with the flags that goes right back here. And of course you got the Rebel flag on top, front license plate, rear license plate, the 01, it's all there. So this is a Hot Wheels generally, or Hot Wheels 69 Dodge Charger. The other thing I got to do is I got to paint the interior, paint the body, do all the details on it, and that's one of my pet projects. So it's going to be a nice car when I'm done with it. The wheels and the push bar just made things nice. So 3D printer, and as you see, that was an SLA printer, not one of them, you know, printers that does the filament. Because the ones that does the filament, whenever you do make something with the filament, you can see somewhat lines. This is the generally wheel bottom that you pull off here to make the once you print the wheels. But there's not all these lines and texture and stuff like that. So anyways guys, I'm going to stop it right here. I hope you guys like this video. I hope some of you guys will get into 3D printing. Some of this stuff, once I get things figured out and working a lot better than what it is, I will probably put the stuff up on eBay. So this way everybody can, you know, for people that's looking for the beds, especially these, you'll be able to buy these. So anyways, like, subscribe, share. My Patreon is down in the description. But hey guys, I really appreciate all of you that have subscribed and liked and shared, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. See ya.